Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like these blind unboxings. Today I'm really ecstatic to unbox my first Sonny Angel blind boxes. So we've got some different collections, one of the newer collections, some hippers, and then of course I continuously keep going down the rabbit hole of buying more Smiskis. So we've got some cute options of Smiskis too. So we're gonna do a blind unboxing for them intermixed with the Sonny Angels. Let me know in the comments down below if you are a collector, what are your favorite collections, and what are your favorite ones that you've been able to currently unbox. Would love to hear from you. All right, I don't know where to start. Maybe we'll start with the Sonny Angel hippers. So this one's really cute. This is called the Harvest series. So it's got all of these cute little fruit heads on the back. I don't really know which one I am excited to maybe get. Maybe like a strawberry, or I wish they had, do they have a watermelon? They have a melon, not watermelon, but that would have been kind of cool. Tomato, eggplant, radish, mushroom, grape, apple, pear, carrot, pineapple, and cherry. So those are our options. All right, let's see which one we got here. I love hippers too. So for those of you who have seen my Smiski hipper, I'm absolutely obsessed with that. So really excited to maybe swap it out and switch to another hipper here. Let's see what we've got in there. That's just like the whole kind of collection, but you can kind of see them all. All right, which fruit is it gonna be? Ooh. What do we have here? Is this the pineapple? Yes, how cute. Ooh, I really like the pineapple. This one's freaking adorable. Perfect for the summer, so I think I might have to actually bring this one with me on my California trip, because what better than to have like a dull pineapple hanging out with me. Super cute. Okay, now this is another hipper from a different Sonny Angels series. So this is called the Looking Back series. This one's super cute. So this one, instead of having the fruit little headpieces, these are different animals. So we've got a monkey, rabbit, fawn, duck, crocodile, mouse, sloth, hamster, cat, koala, elephant, or French bulldog. Let's see which one we got. They're all super cute, so I feel like you really can't go wrong with this, but really excited to just have some new different hippers for my phone. All right, got pink packaging on this one. There we go. Opening. How good we get. This one is freaking cute. So this one is the pink, and so this is the sloth. We got the sloth. Nice little hot pink kind of colorway. Again, good colorway I feel like for the summer. So we've got a sloth and a pineapple. What a random pair we've got here with some different positionings, I guess. All right, so I guess we should keep doing the Sonny Angels. So let's start with this collection. So this is I Love Rainy Day. I come from Seattle, or I'm from Seattle for those of you who know, which is known as the rainy city. So I thought what better than to get the rainy collection because it suits me and my upbringing. But we've got some different options here. So it looks like there's a frog, duck, goldfish, hippopotamus, elephant, Zlati, Ixlati. And then we've got two options for secrets here. So let's see which one we got. Okay. Let's open it up. All right. First one. Ooh, we got the frog. How freaking cute. Adorable with the little tiny baby wings on the back. And we've got the cute little rain boots. This one's super cute. Let me just hold it up so you can see. Turn it around. All right, let's hope we didn't get any duplicates with this one. Wish me luck, everyone. Let's hope that we didn't get a duplicate with this one again. I try to do this shake test, but it never works for me. Oh, we got a different one. Oh, this one's super cute. This is the duck. And we've got different colored rain boots. Okay, this one may be my favorite. I feel like a rubber duck is kind of like what I think of when I think of a rainy day for some reason. This is what you put in a bathtub, essentially, a little rubber ducky. All right, stand next to your little frog friend there. Okay. Last but not least, let's get this plastic off. Which one is going to be our last little friend? Alright, here we go. Oh, it's definitely a different one. Oh, this is the one I can't like pronounce exactly which animal this is, but super cute. Okay, I'm so happy I didn't get any duplicates so far. Yay, starting a little Sonny Angel family. Let me know if you are collecting the I Love the Rainy Day series and which one is your favorite out of all of them. Now let's move on to our Smiskis. So this is Smiski Sunday, and they're all really cute. We've got some different cool, fun Smiski positions. I really want the one on the skateboard, but you know. Blind unboxing, so one can ask for one and just not get it. So we shall see which one we have in store here. Yay! I got the skateboard one! Literally spoke that into the universe, and look, lo and behold, the skateboard Smiski. This is the one I really wanted from this collection. So I can't believe I got it on the first try. Okay, let me see how we can open you up. Yay, so this is gonna definitely go with all my skateboarding kicks. You'll be in that section, but look at how freaking cute. So, of course, he's gonna look like that on the board. Let's open the board up. I'm like, okay, we can stop here. I can just bring these other Smiskis back. This is the one I wanted. But hopefully we didn't get duplicates of this guy. All right, so it looks like we just slide the foot in there and voila! Look at how cute this guy is. All right, I'm obsessed. Go join your little chicas over here. Skateboarding. Okay, so next up, let's see which one we have now. Oh, this one's cute. So he's just blowing like a little instrument there. So at least he has a different friend. That's exciting. All right, we have one left. Which one is it going to be? Hopefully, again, not a duplicate, but we shall see. All right. Feels different than those ones. Yay! How cute. He's throwing a paper airplane. Okay, cool. We got 3 great friends. Okay, no duplicates here today, everyone. So happy, and I'm so happy to have my very first Sonny Angel pieces from different collections. Really excited to test these out as my new hippers as well. Thank you so much again for tuning in. If you joined us for the first time, be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these blind unboxings. Let me know in the comments as well if you'd like me to do more. All right, everyone, that is it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you on the next one.